Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S25 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So I will choose maybe this one. Then tap on this edit icon and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on this camera icon and now you can either take a photo, so your device will open the camera app, or choose the photo from the gallery. And I will take a photo and let me quickly just take a photo on this sign, this logo. And now in this step we can change the size of this highlighted square. We can also change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted square is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. Oh no, that was not what I wanted to. That was not what I wanted to choose. Just give me a second. Alright, we've got it. Just don't follow all of my steps, as you can see. Okay, just frame it, and here we've got save, so remember to tap on save in the left upper corner. Now save in the right upper corner on the other hand, and here we've got our contact. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.